6888 has helped my journey tremendously. It bridged the gap between making items at my home and then getting ready for a brick and mortars.
Tonight was really good. It was very insightful. I was glad to be around the other food entrepreneurs that I did not know prior to becoming a member of 6888 Kitchen. And then the community that came out that showed their support. It was an amazing event, and I'm so glad I got to be a part of it. The reason that we had the panel, which displayed 5 of our amazing members, and we also had the showcase here in the kitchen and gave the public an opportunity to not only see what our members produce, but also see the kitchen as well. The purpose was strictly 2 things for me: educating the public and giving the members another resource and opportunity to grow their business.
I have been able to put out more product in a short period of time. And I also do a lot of more big events than just serving one potato at a time.
You know, we're really excited about having the panel discussion. They did phenomenal, brought me almost to tears listening to them talk about their journey. And then the showcase was just the icing on the cake. I was extremely proud to be a part of that moment. And a huge shout out to Jasmine Brown for moderating that event.
That's my intention, to continue to grow in these type of spaces. So hopefully 6888 wouldn't just be on this side of Dayton. They'll be somewhere else in Dayton as well, and we'll have one in there too.
So you do not have to be a member of 6888 Kitchen to be a supplier for our grocery space. You can go on 6888 Kitchen, 6888kitchen.org/grocery, and it'll walk you through the 4 steps of becoming a supplier. We love to support local.
Being in 6888 has given me a place close to home, also a chance to work with people that are already connected to the community, which gives me more resources to expand my business.
So far, we have funded $4.3 million of our $6 million goal. There's so much more that we want to do for not only these entrepreneurs, but for the community, and we need your help.
So your donations will help us finish out phase 2 of our project. That is the remaining of the retail space, the community classroom, 3 additional pods, and storage that's going in our basement. This will help us continue to help our members and also the community. Thank you.